Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Alright, so we're looking at page 5, and I'm redoing some of these because I did a lot of them. And then I started working with kids again, realized that my tempos were not quite as realistic as they should be for younger players. But we're looking at the first note, number 1 on page 5. You should have already checked out the B flat and the F at the beginning of page 4 with the what do you hear, what next, and if you're hearing the F, then you should be on page 5. Working long notes. The next thing, they send us down to 3rd position, right here, the E flat. This is number 2. 1, 2, 3. And down to number 3, T for 2. Switching back to F. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.